Excellent, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Really, hats off to you.
I'm so grateful. I'm so happy for the doctors here.
He just made things simple for me.
In particular, for the wonderful support they have given me here.
We thank you for your support. We thank you for everything. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much.
We express our heartfelt gratitude to all the doctors for doing exceptional work in clinical as well as compassionate care to all our MGM guests.
All doctors, happy Doctors Day. Certainly, I feel very proud that we are with one of the exceptional team of doctors and at our MGM Healthcare.
Being a doctor for more than 25 years, I that's my primary role, and on behalf of the doctors, we would like to thank the management, Dr. Prashant and Chairman for providing us this opportunity.
Wish you all a very happy Doctors Day.